Now listen, Sugarfoot, you know I'm gonna bring you the heat that's gonna have you move your feet. Have you seen these? No? Okay, so these are new. These are new. Okay, this is the 3-in-1 skin treatment too. Okay, this part right here, it apply a mask, and this part exfoliates. Okay, child, Dollar Tree is doing it for you and me. $1.25. Now let's get into this. And you know, I gotta deliver. Do you mind if I deliver? Let me know in the comments if you mind if. So when I tell you groovy, look at this. Urban Therapy Twisted is the wellness and therapy, a clean solution for your hair and scalp. Hair and scalp triple moisture, rich shampoo. Get into it. All hair types and textures. Now, this look like is for my hair. Okay, it just gives that. Okay, they also have the green one, the scalp and style cream. All right, so this is the shampoo, the style and texture gel blue, the shampoo yellow, and then the scope, style and cream green. And then they also have the wellness and therapy, a clean solution for your hair and scalp. Twisted, oh child, and look at the ingredients. You know, ginseng, water and oil, hemp seed oil, ginger oil, rose hip oil, parabens, sulfates, zero. You know, zero. I just got to point that out, honey, zero. Okay, it probably was like, Dean, are you telling us, you know, this is good and it got sulfates and stuff in there? $1.25. Listen, I don't know who is telling Dollar Tree to bring these items in, but they okay with me. Look at this. Urban Therapy Twisted Sister 3-minute moisturizer mask, coconut, avocado, and almond oils. Get into the chill, honey, let them have this stuff next week. Okay, I'm gonna get a few of these. Okay, you know, just FYI, honey, if you live in the area, do not try to buy them all up. Okay, moving on. Now, just in case if you've been late, honey, Dollar Tree has these loofahs over here. These are $1.25. They come in different colors. They have the white. They also have the blue and the pink in the bag. They also have these facial spa sets over here, exfoliating gloves, which is $1.25. They have the pink ones, the blue ones over here, and then they also have the face mask, and they have a brush as well. Pedicure set and bath gloves. Okay, honey, they don't put the bath gloves up in here. Now, the pedicure set, 5 pieces for $1.25. Styling and definitely profiling. Cosmetic case, you get 2 for $1.25. Another item that Dollar Tree has is the personal care moisturizer and shave oil Wildflowers pH balance, $1.25. And I had seen these last time, and I think that they run out quick because last time they was at the store, I believe on 49th Street in West New York. But honey, they normally go quick. So Wildflowers, $1.25. Dollar Tree also have some masks, Kiwi Fusion facial mask, detox and restore. Other mask they have is the Real Veggie Farm double shot mask, $1.25. And look at this, the strawberry bubble mask, restoring, deeply moisturizes and revitalizes, activated by skin's natural heat to deliver a satisfying melting sensation as it penetrates skin's surface layers. One sheet. Honey, and look at this, the Grape Fizz facial mask, revitalized, firm, $1.25. Honey, get into. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has, I just seen this. This is the sponge, okay, the makeup sponge with K's. Check them out. And they must be put these out recently because, honey, as you can see, they only have 2 left, $1.25. Look at Dollar Tree selling Adele lashes. Look at this. Now, these lashes do appear that, you know, you're about to fly. But, you know, you got to do what works for you, child. If you like these lashes, you got to do what works for you. Now, Dollar Tree also have these Vibe Check lashes as well, $1.25. And look at these. La Mercier, I think, 3 pairs for $1.25. Movie groovy. Now, when it comes to the nails, Dollar Tree has been showing out in these streets. Now, these, I like these. These have a lot of spadass, okay? 12 pieces for $1.25. Absolutely love it. All right, so you said you was looking for the tumblers, especially for spring. Okay, Dollar Tree definitely has them. The Twist to Drink 2 ways removable straw. Get into this with the spring colors, summer colors. Absolutely love this. They got the pink, the purple, the orange, and also the green. My thing like a chicken wing. Now, when it comes to fashion with the hair clips, Dollar Tree is going to deliver every time. Look at these, $1.25. Get into this. You see this butterfly one? Honey, I caught dibs on this one. That is fancy. Now, we had seen these headbands the other day. When I tell you they slay like no other way, honey. And you know, I'm a goals girl, so I absolutely love the gold on here at the bottom. Styling and profiling. Fashion accessories Dollar Tree has. Honey, these headbands, movie groovy, $1.25. Now, let me tell you something. When it comes to these 3-in-1 body wash, delightful. Absolutely delightful. You hear what I'm saying? Especially this strawberry shortcake, honey. It is delightful. It smells so amazing. Now, I know that it says 3+ for the age, but it smells good, and I would definitely use this. All right, so Dollar Tree also have the hydrating hand and nail gloves with hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and the other word, rose scented. And then they also have the foot spa kit. This is rose scented. You get 3 of these: foot scrub, foot mask, and foot lotion, honey, for $1.25. Just in case if you guys haven't seen this, Dollar Tree also have the teen regular pads. Honey, they just started putting these out, okay? 10 count for $1.25. Won't they do it? Who? Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree also have the special offer. They says this Arrow Speed 20-inch box fans. These are $19. Okay, somebody said cheaper than Family Dollar. I don't know. Okay, isn't Family Dollar going out of business, or Dollar Tree and Family Dollar departed or something? That's what I seen, on Google News. Now, Dollar Tree also have the sunscreen spray. Honey, get into it. $5. Sport Ultra Clear Sunscreen Spray, SPF. Now, they also have the sunscreen lotion. And get into this. The Barbie Sunscreen Spray, UVA, UVB protection. I don't even know what that means. Okay. SPF 50. And then they also have this one, the Spider-Man $5. Kids absolutely love this. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has is these Barbie socks. Now, these are really, really thin. You guys know. Wait, hold on, child. They ain't that thin. Because I done felt some thin socks from Dollar Tree. These not that thin. All right, now I may do these. These are $5. And then they also have these Ellie socks. Honey, you get 10 of these for $5. This is a steal deal. Now, when it comes to Maryland, honey, Maryland is everywhere. Okay, well, when it comes to the Dollar Tree, they have these socks. These $5 socks, you get 10 pairs too. But these all on the thinner side, in my opinion, okay?